Hey guys, it's Tim here. Hey, and I'm working on this thing, and I wanted to show you because this is a pretty cool application for the G drive here. What I've done is I've gone into the menu and I've programmed this auto drilling, auto bore, canned cycle, if you will, to just drill down 150 thousandths. This gear is going to end up, fitting in there. But so that it drills down to the right depth and I don't have to screw around with it. I can just turn the thing on and press go. And that's it. I don't have to worry about drilling too deep. I don't have to think about it at all. And then all I gotta do is just, it's gonna be a long night because I'm gonna have to just keep cranking that thing over. Turn it on, hit it again. But that's the beauty of it. The beauty of it is that I don't have to worry about, how far down it's going to drill. That's just a nice, easy way to operate the milling machine. It just really makes it everyday stuff like doing something like this, real easy, and it's nice to not have to think about it. Just turn it on. Hit go. And that's it.